Drawings are used to document your 3D models in the traditional 2D format, including displaying dimensions and other instructions useful for manufacturing purposes. In Solidworks, creating drawings is secondary to creating 3D models of parts or assemblies. What I mean is that you first create models in 3D, and then use the 3D data to generate the drawing. Even after the drawing is created, there's a direct association between the 3D model and the drawing. When changes are made to the model, each and every view in the drawing will reflect the change. This relationship between 3D model and 2D drawing makes the drawing process fast and accurate. Because of the mainstream adoption of 2D drawings in the mechanical industry, drawings are one of the 3 main file types you can create in SolidWorks. To begin a new drawing, you can use the File, New drop-down menu, or use the blank page icon. If you already have a part open, you can simply click on the Make Drawing from Part icon, or select it from the File drop-down menu. All 3 methods will bring you to the same interface to select the drawing template. This dialog box offers you a choice of sheet formats, including several standard sheet formats, as well as the option to use a custom sheet format. For this example, I'll select the standard A landscape format. This is the drawing interface. It's laid out similar to the part and assembly interfaces, with a working area, a feature manager tree, and a slightly different toolbar. The toolbar arrangement is slightly different here. Toolbars that were used in the part and assembly interface are now gone and replaced by 2 new ones, the Annotations toolbar and the View Layout toolbar. We'll take a look at the various commands on these toolbars later in this lesson. The feature manager tree is also arranged differently. Since we're no longer working in 3D, you don't see reference planes or an origin listed. Instead, you see the basic requirements for a 2D drawing, a sheet of paper listed as Sheet 1, and a sheet format. The sheet is the drawing area, and the sheet format is the title block that you see around the sheet. There are 2 distinct modes you can use when working on a drawing. You can be in Edit Sheet mode or in Edit Sheet Format mode. The Edit Sheet mode is used to create drawing views and add details such as dimensions and notes. The Edit Sheet Format mode is used to strictly modify the title block surrounding the drawing. Switching between the 2 modes is simple. By default, when starting a new drawing, you'll be in Edit Sheet mode. This is indicated here in the status bar. While you're in this mode, the title block will appear in a faint gray color. To switch to Edit Sheet Format mode, right-click on the sheet format listing in the Feature Manager tree and select Edit Sheet Format. You'll see the appearance of the title block change. It now appears in blue and black lines as you're used to seeing in sketches, and the status bar now indicates Edit Sheet Format. You can now switch back to Edit Sheet mode by again right-clicking on the sheet in the Feature Manager tree and selecting Edit Sheet. As a shortcut, you can also switch back and forth by right-clicking on a blank area of the sheet in the graphics window and making your selection there. When you're working with a drawing that already has existing views, it will be very obvious when you switch modes. As soon as you switch to Edit Sheet Format, all the views will disappear. This is only momentary, and it's meant to help you focus on just the title block when you make changes. When you're done, switch back to Edit Sheet mode, and the drawing views reappear. The specifications for drawings varies immensely from company to company and individual to individual. And for the remainder of the lesson, I won't be teaching you how to create one specific standard of drawing, but rather I'll teach you the tools and techniques required to create and detail drawings in general. This will allow you to produce your style of drawing, no matter how unique.